Long, long ago, in a jungle, was a mother and a baby deer. So the baby deer and mother deer were walking down in the forest and they were having a conversation. And the mother deer started the conversation, asking the baby deer, "Baby, what is your biggest fear? Or what scares you the most?" The baby, without much of hesitation, answered the mama's question, saying, "Ma, my biggest fear is facing a lion or a fast approaching tiger. I don't know what to do. That scares the shit out of me." Mama deer was very much interested in this conversation. She was actually wanting to teach a life lesson here to the baby deer. So the mama asked the baby, "Baby, in such a situation, what would you do when a lion or a tiger is fast approaching?" The baby deer looked up to the mama and then told, "Mama, I think I'll run for my life. I think that's the best thing that I can do." The mama laughed at the answer that the baby gave and looked into the eyes of the baby deer and then told, "Baby, you might run away from the lion for once, but how long can you run away from the lion? A day would definitely come when the lion will outrun you, and the lion might pounce on your back and then bring you down and then tear your ribs apart. But you would have to learn to stand right in front of the lion with your horns pointed towards the lion. That will scare the shit out of the lion, and lion will definitely be scared to pounce on you, because if the lion takes that step to pounce on you, you might break into the chest of the lion, piercing into its heart and then fighting against your fear. So that's something that you should do. Our back is left vacant and the lion can pounce on it, but the God has given our strength to fight against the odds by these horns, and we need to fight against the lion with our horns on and not with our back exposed. So that is the life lesson the mama deer taught the baby deer. So the question that I'm asking you today is, what are we doing against the fears that fear us? Are we just running away from them, or how are we handling it? The best way to handle a fear is to basically face it. As a young boy, I always had this fear of heights. Like when I stood on the first floor, I was afraid that the entire floor would break. And whenever there was a fast approaching fever to me, when I was at my house, I felt like the roof would fall on my head. And I never ever dared to go beyond 5th or 6th floor because I was afraid that I might fall off the edge. That was my fear. So how did I come across it? I decided to jump from the very high elevated place. So that's something that I did to kill the fear in me. And trust me, the results were astonishing. The amount of confidence that I got in myself, or the amount of confidence that I got to face my upcoming fears, was amazing. So the small food for thought that I'm leaving you with today is, what are we doing to face our fears? Are we facing them by going against them? So I would leave you with this question today. See you all in the next one. Till then, stay in the game.